The MiSTAR 555 CNC CMM revolutionizes precision shop floor measurements. What makes the MiSTAR the best at precision measurements where you need them? It starts with the CMM's overall design. Constructed with a symmetric structure and uniform materials, along with innovative technologies, gives the MiSTAR 555 a measurement accuracy guarantee for temperatures between 10 and 40 degrees Celsius, the widest capability on the market today. Its compact, space-saving design with three-sided open structure makes the MiSTAR ideal for inline and near-line measurements with easy integration into automated cells. The machine controllers and PC are stored in a cabinet under the measuring table, making the MiSTAR 555's footprint is about 30% smaller than a conventional CMM with similar workpiece measurement capabilities. The newly developed high-tech Mitutoyo absolute scales on the MiSTAR provides more than twice the contamination resistance over conventional CMMs in challenging production line environments. As capable as the MiSTAR 555 is, it is just as versatile. This shop floor CNC CMM does not require any compressed air to operate, and it plugs into an ordinary 120-volt wall socket for acquiring precision measurements you can trust almost anywhere. The MiSTAR 555 is truly the CMM designed to be a measuring machine for any environment. For more information, please visit mitutoyo.com/2023-MiSTAR or visit your nearest M3 Solutions Center or preferred Mitutoyo CMM distributor.